Anyway. Great. Uh-oh, something's stuck on something. How the heck did this thing get wrapped around the mirror? And how the heck did it get off? Oh, shut up. RC CXT, stand by it. I'm going to do a comparison. Get this tape off. Okay, whatever.
5'8". Very small. Shorty.
I don't know what scale it is, but yeah, it's big. Okay, the tape's off.
And it got some mad skittles.
Man, it looks tiny from here. I just get in there.
Bum, 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 bum,
That'd be cool if it were a lowrider.
but it's not.
Off-road! I'm driving with one hand and a chin. Ah, crap.
Bum, 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 bum.
Good enough.
Bum, 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 bum.
Hey. Big RC car.
We need to make something that is cool.
Hey, this is going to be put on YouTube.
Exactly. We need to make something...
My foot! Comparison. Hey, you film me popping a wheelie. Or at least attempting to.
Like, I want to make a fire
Do
and
it.
then I want to do a flip over it. Ow.
You can probably see it. Probably camera quality.
CXT! Dump! This is not a cool video.
Got to take a dump.
I'll punch that camera.